Billy Mays here. So, we got this bread from the government. Well, my grandparents did. They gave free food to us. It's just random every single time. We get apples sometimes. So we got this yesterday, 2 days ago. I don't know when it came in. But anyway, I have no idea what kind of bread this is. But it looks like it's a hamburger bun, but not entirely sure what the bread is. I think I've had this kind of bread as a donut before. I think it was good. I don't know. It was covered in cream cheese. So anyway, we're going to try this bread today. See if it's any good. But I don't have any cream cheese because it went bad. So we had to throw it out. So maybe we'll eat it plain. Or maybe we'll just eat it with the M&Ms. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. So first I'm going to eat it plain. I took a bite. That's bread, alright. The chocolate's kind of overpowering. I might need to eat more bread. Man, I wish I had cream cheese. I took 3 bites. That's 3 bites in this bread that I have no idea what it is. It just tastes like a hamburger bun. You're probably better off eating this with a patty. I think 2 out of 1 Maggies would eat this again. I don't know where the other Maggie came from. But I'm sure Maggie would enjoy eating the bread anyway. But this is only applicable to Maggie's. Christina's, Anne's, Ryan's, subject to change. I don't know how many bites I took, but the bread is starting to unbread. But yeah, if you want to be a basic bitch, you're better off eating this with the patty. Or you can eat it with cream cheese. I'm sure it would taste good with cream cheese. Peanut butter? I don't like peanut butter, but maybe one of you guys do. What else is good with bread? Ketchup. I suddenly have no idea how to eat bread. What goes with bread? Oh my god. Wait, what goes with bread? I misspelled bread. No, I'm not looking for side dishes. Okay, how about hamburger buns? Move, mouse. God damn it. Mouse moved too much. What goes best with hamburger buns? What do you do with leftover hamburger buns? You can play fetch with your son. Oh, eggs! That's kind of weird. Actually, no, that's not weird. You can make some fried eggs, or some kind of sunny side up eggs with your hamburger buns. You can have some pulled pork or chicken. Make a bunch of pizza. How about croutons? Bread pudding? What the heck is bread pudding? Tear those buns into bite-sized pieces and place them in a greased baking dish. In a mixing bowl, combine a half stick of melted butter, 4 eggs, 2 cups of sugar, yada yada yada. Bake for around 25 minutes. We suggest serving the bread pudding with the scoop of vanilla ice cream. Wait, I still don't know what bread pudding is. It just tells me how to make it. Fill it for meatloaf and casseroles. That was bread, alright. I hope you enjoyed the bread. I mean, the bread review. Yeah, the bread review. Bread. Anyway, welcome to the